Hi, I'm Justin Flora, and we're the ADM Dryer Monitoring Group.
I'm Ben Long.
And I'm Kyle Emery.
Justin, dryer monitoring, what's the challenge that you're trying to solve?
Well, right now ADM has to send an employee out every half hour to manually take a sample from the dryer. They've also got to walk around the entire dryer to make sure that all the chambers are flowing correctly.
Because if the grain isn't flowing through a dryer, what happens?
Then you're going to have a lodged condition, the grain's going to heat up and cause a fire.
Alright, so a fire with a commodity smells like loss of money.
Yes.
How much money are we talking about? What is the cost of this error?
Depending on the size of the dryer, as you can see, their dryers anywhere from $200 to $500,000. And with this sensor, I mean, there's no price that can be placed on this problem. Catching a dryer on fire is huge. So not quite $2,000 for the system is relatively small compared to the consequences that could arise.
This looks like really inexpensive insurance. $2,000 to save a couple million or something.
That's correct.
So Ben, how does it work? Show me the device. I guess this is not really a grain dryer.
No.
Because it's not hot.
No.
And then it's not smoking.
Not yet.
But it's simulating.
Yes.
So how's it work?
Okay, so the backbone is this acoustic sensor. It measures the frequency, and we have it set on a high frequency right now. So even touching this, it's picking that up. We did test it low sensitivity, which it'd have to be for a tower dryer, but for our setup so he's going to go ahead and open it up, and it's going to sense the grain moving down just at a slow trickle. So it shuts the alarm off. So it's actually measures this. When it's closed, we got a delay on the alarm, and it'll turn the alarm/light bulb.
So if the grain flow stops, the acoustic sensor makes a note of it.
Yep.
A little delay, just in case there's a slight error in the reading, and then an alarm. Yep. So no more walking around, continually checking things, and just reporting. Now I'm curious, because I have a smartphone now, is there an app for that? Will it call me or send me a text saying dryer number 1, flow has stopped?
Well, I guess that depends on how fancy your system is. Because you can plug these into your PLC controllers, and I believe there are some out there that do send,
Those could be on the Ethernet.
Yeah.
Automatically send me a text.
I think that would be a possibility in the near future.
Sounds good. Well, what tools did you use to solve this problem? And you guys are going to be college graduates. Did you need anything from college to solve this problem?
No, I think we learned a lot from Dr. Strohschein's ASM 245 class. I've also worked with ADM for the past couple of years, so I've gained a lot of experience with that, so that's definitely helped me, and this is why I actually chose the project.
So it looks like you did draw some things in AutoCAD. You had to do some electronic controls, understand sensors. Looks good. Like you're solving a real world problem.
Yep.
Yep.
It really is.
All right.